View past returns on TurboTax. Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to view past returns on TurboTax. So let's get started. First, sign into your TurboTax account. On the home page, continue to the section where your previous tax filing summary appears. Then scroll down to locate tax returns and documents. Pick the specific tax year you want to access. Select Download and Print Return to save or open the file. If the return you are searching for is missing, you might have used another TurboTax account earlier. Check all accounts linked to you to locate old filings. You can also open the Documents tab from the menu. Then use the drop-down to choose a tax year. Click Download Tax PDF. Once downloaded, you can view, print, or save your return anytime. And that's all. That's how you will be able to view past returns on TurboTax.